Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSite0.net, and today we will have an unboxing experience for the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE as well as the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. So we will go through the unboxing process as well as my side over here giving the first impression of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. Let's check it out. Let's just start with the unboxing, shall we? So this is the actual box of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and the model that we got is the 256 gig of internal storage with 8 gigs of RAM. With that, let's get the unboxing begin. So you can actually pull the tab over here and pull it off, and so you can unbox the device, but I prefer to use a cutter for this. Gently cut it. There you go. And the other side over here. And there you go. The color that I received over here is the graphite color. However, it is also available in mint, purple, and cream. And this is the actual look of the device. Let's just see what else do we have in the box as well. So in the box, you will get the quick start guide or the warranty statement. You got the SIM ejector over here, and also a USB-C cable. And it seems to be Samsung has included not a USB-A to C cable, but USB-C to C cable. Now there is no charger inbox, no AC adapter inbox. However, you can easily use any of your existing charger so long the charger supports PD charging. Or you can just go to Samsung online store or any of the Samsung authorized dealer to actually get a compatible charger. So let's just continue exploring the device. Let me just put the box as well as the other accessories away from the screen. And this is the device. Now at a glance, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE side over here is actually made of aluminum frame, while the back and the front over here is actually glass made of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So let's talk a little bit about the screen. This is measured at 6.4 inch, and this is a dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which has a dynamic refresh rate up to 120 Hz, and it supports HDR10. And according to the paper specification, the brightness can pick up to 1450 nits. So besides that, let's just look below over here. You do have a USB-C port and also a speaker over here. And of course, there's also a speaker located top over here. So this is a dual speaker setup. Now we all do understand that, and this may or may not be a surprise, that there is two variants of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. One that comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and the version that we got here for the Malaysia market as well as certain Asian regions, you will get the Samsung own processor, which is the Exynos 2200. And this Samsung Exynos 2200 is relatively not a new processor. It has been launched last year, and it is still formidable in my own personal point, because within its SoC in the GPU, it is powered by the well-known AMD RDNA 2. So this is the startup screen, and this is the out-of-box experience. So just give me a moment while I set this device up. So I have just done setting it up. And this is the home screen look of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And before I forget, I should mention this phone is actually IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. Now let's just talk a little bit about the camera setup. So this is actually a 50 megapixel camera with PDAF and OIS. The second one is a 8 megapixel telephoto lens. And last but not least, this one is a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. So in general, this phone does support PDAF and OIS. And according to Samsung, this phone is able to do video recording at 8K up to 24 FPS. Wow! Looking over here, you do have a selfie camera. And this camera is actually a 10 megapixel wide lens. Now if you put it side by side, this is actually the Samsung Galaxy A54. It does look almost the same, at least very similar. And if you compare it with the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, it follows the same design language. So this is great because you are purchasing a great flagship experience. But the FE has been all along following all of its every year S series design language as well. So at least it does look and feel and it performs same as a flagship device. Or I should say, this is actually a flagship killer. So what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE? My first impression is this is a good phone on the first look because you are paying less, yet you are getting a flagship-like experience phone. Besides that, the battery, I believe it's pretty adequate too because it includes a 4500 mAh battery. So let's just talk about the pricing. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE for the 128 GB of internal storage will be priced at 2,999, while the 256 GB of internal storage is priced at 3,299 ringgit. So do let us know in the comments below what you think about this phone. And next up, we're gonna unbox the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, and let's just begin the unboxing process. And this is the actual look of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Let me just pull these tabs off or just slide it off. Also included is the USB-C to C for charging, and also you get additional ear tips. So by default, this is installed with the M size one. So you get the S size ear tip as well as the L size ear tip over here. So the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE comes in several colors, and the color that we got is the graphite color. So it does give the same matching vibes to it when you put it together with the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE side by side over here right now. So let's just talk about the price of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Now the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE is coming at 399 ringgit. So as well as all the other ranges of the Samsung Galaxy FE range family of products, it will be available from 10 October onwards. So what do you think about the phone as well as the earbuds? Do let us know in the comments as below. And do remember to subscribe to us, as this will encourage us to do more videos and introduce more products. So in the next several days, we will be testing both of these products and we will come out with a full review. So that's pretty much for me. This is Aaron, signing off.